Hey, so today we're gonna look at some good ways to screw things up. And we're gonna start with the technical getup. Something happened that put me on my back, like Ryan pushed me, or just stared me down onto the ground. And maybe I've done some things to keep him away or make space, or said a funny joke and he rolled his eyes for a second, which gave me time to look to sit up and start looking to get back to my feet. So a really good way to screw this up is to not turn your hips enough. So if I keep my hips square in line with Ryan's, even though I'm in my technical get-up posture where I have a hand on the ground and a foot up, or a hand on the ground and a foot posted, if my hips are square to him, I don't have enough room to get this foot underneath me. So you end up with doing what I call the horror movie get-up, where you're here and you're like stumbling over yourself, falling backwards. So if I open my hips up, that's what allows me to get the leverage I need to get my foot underneath me and back so I can do a proper get-up. But if you really want to screw it up, keep your hips square and try to get your foot underneath you. Unless you're super flexible, which I'm exaggerating a little bit, I could get my foot underneath me and stand up here, but a lot of people don't have that flexibility. So what it looks like in class is they're doing this horror movie like crab walk, trying to stand up while also facing that person who's them away.
I'm pouring water on you at the same time.
Yeah, so what's interesting about that, so first off, if that's happening, you've probably chosen to just fall to the ground yourself, right? So then he pulls out his terrifying water bottle. And now I've got to get up, but I also have to slip and roll and duck and move like you would for a punch, except it's water, so it's terrifying. So make sure you move fast, because it'll mess up my hair, which is not already messed up. Don't say it, I can see it in your eyes.
So it looks like that on purpose?
Yes. See, now I need to be able to get up and run away. No, I did it all by myself. All right, so important things to take away here. To screw up your getup, keep your hips square, don't roll them and open up to the side. If you keep your hips square, you'll fall backwards and look like you're running away from like a monster in a horror movie. Anyway, I think. I don't watch a lot of horror movies, actually. Drop the name of a horror movie where you see that in, so that I can reference it next time. Cool. That's it. Go screw it up.